This trip is one of many stories. How a child visited the literal motherland. How friends have reunited after 10 years. How the physical dispersement of family will never keep them apart. How strangers were welcomed to a family that they never met. How organized chaos constantly flood the streets. And I'm here to tell you the story of a grandfather and granddaughter who took their first trip together. One of the biggest regrets I used to have was not traveling with some of my grandparents. So I made it a life goal to make this happen. It all began with a long-standing promise to visit Cambodia and confirming that the trip was happening in 2018. I brought this up to my grandpa and he toyed with the idea. A month later, he decided he wanted to come. And so, it was planned November 2018 was our trip to Cambodia. We made it! Grandpa and I have arrived in Cambodia. It's been a good day so far. Yes, it's hot. And I'm like doubled up on my mosquito bands. Whoop. We're all ready for this. Now, my grandpa's not exactly a young chap, 82 to be exact, the time he went on the trip. But he kept up like a man in his youth. We visited so many temples in Siem Reap. The park with Angkor Wat is by far larger than anyone could have anticipated. You can easily spend a couple of days taking in each and every location and temple. Good morning! Today's officially our first day yesterday was our first day in Cambodia, but I call today's first day because it's the first full day. It's early morning. What time is it? Like 7 a.m.? And we gotta go get breakfast.
It's 7. I'm getting noodles.
Yeah. Today for 6.
Wait, noodles every single day. We tried delicacies I didn't expect him to like frog legs and the fish paste they called bokor. We ate seafood directly from the pier. And he outdrank me every single night. We literally pushed a bamboo train and a car that broke down within the same week. We shared a culture that we were complete strangers to. And we were welcomed with open arms. I can't tell you how much joy this trip has brought to my life. I know it's unlikely I'll ever get a chance to do this again, and it was literally the trip of a lifetime. It's so important to spend time with your grandparents. There's so much knowledge and love they just want to give you, and I am lucky to have shared these memories with my grandpa. Not only did I get to learn about this country, its history and culture, I also got to learn a lot about my grandpa and his past. Created memories in the present, and heard his hopes for the future.